Welcome to this week's video. So, the problem says, Mayuko loves to put ketchup on her pizza. She also loves lemons and decides to make a pizza with lemon. Each half of the lemon is a 60-degree arc of radius 10. Slice of pizza, which is a pizza of radius 8 inches, is an eighth of the circular pizza, needs 4 packets of ketchup for Mayuko to eat this slice. If Mayuko decides to eat all of her lemon pizza, how many packets of ketchup does Mayuko need? So first, we want to know the surface area, or the area of her pizza. So we have a 60-degree arc of radius 10. And in this arc, we want to know the surface area of this part. So the area of the purple part would just be equal to 100 pi, which is the total area of a circle of radius 10, and times 1/6, since 60 degrees is 1/6 of the total 360 degrees. So that's the area of the purple part, and then the area of the part that's not included in the lemon is this part. It's orange. And this part is an equilateral triangle of side length 10. So the area of an equilateral triangle would be the side length squared multiplied by the square root of 3 divided by 4. And in this case, it's 25 square root 3. So the area of half of the lemon would just be, so 100 pi times 1/6, that's 50/3 of pi, multiplied by 25 square root 3, minus 25 square root 3. And then since this is just half of the pizza, the total pizza will be 100 pi over 3 minus 50 square root 3. So now I want to know how many packets of ketchup she needs. So a regular pizza would be a pizza of radius 8 inches, and it's an eighth of a pizza, so it's 45 degrees. And the total area, so the area of the sector would be, so the area of the entire circle is pi r squared. And then the fraction of the sector, that is the circle, would be 1/8. So this is equal to 8 pi. So every 8 pi square inches, she needs 4 packets of ketchup. So then we just want to know how many, so the number of packets would just be 4 times the fraction of the 8 pi, that is the 100 pi over 3 minus 50 square root 3. So 100 pi over 3 minus 50 square root 3 over 8 pi. If you calculate this, we get this is around 2.88. So that means that she needs 3 packets of ketchup for her pizza.